Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have a Bitcoin update, but first let's see the premium Telegram group chat right here that you can join in a monthly subscription and you will get tons of benefits, including trading, scalping strategy, access on automated price alerts, buying opportunities on automated price alerts, selling opportunities, access to manual price alerts, a unique system from Mind Your Crypto with over 90% win ratio, unlock private messages, and many other benefits. You can also see them. Join us on Patreon. Of course, you can ask me anything you like on Telegram in the description box. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go to Bitcoin. And right now, what I have done right here is the symbol Ganfan that I have always been drawing, squaring the chart from the bottom back on 20 July to the top on 10 November. I wanted to find major support and resistance levels. How did I do that? By simply making a gut box of one price to bar ratio. So I make it a square so I can draw the Ganfan from this bottom left to this top right diagonally, and I can go and make this Ganfan so we can find support levels. You can see that right now, if I am on the regular scale and not on logarithmic, the 8-1 was the last support level before we go down. If we had to close below this level, then we would probably fall down. But even if I go into the logarithmic scale and just see that, you will see that we find buying pressure on the 8-1 as well. So even on the logarithmic, we had this one right here. The bottom was the 8-1. You can see how precise it was that we found the 8-1 in the logarithmic scale as the bottom support level, and then we managed to go even higher. The 3-1 is yet again another support level as the 4-1, and we can possibly get even further upwards. So you can see that we climbed back up above the 3-1 on the logarithmic scale, and on the regular the 2-1, okay, the 4-1, sorry. So we will eventually go into the next price targets on 45k, but let's see a little bit more the short term because a lot of altcoins are depending from Bitcoin, and therefore we need to see where Bitcoin is going to go so we can figure out some altcoins, where are they going to go, because most of the altcoins right now, they do not outperform Bitcoin, and therefore it is very critical to know where Bitcoin will be going into the next 4 hours, into the next 1 to 2 days, maybe a little bit more. So we can see that right now we are getting a little bit rejected from the 50-day exponential moving average. If we get rejected, we are going to have a little bit of a correction for Bitcoin going on this time right here. You can see that the 50-day exponential moving average, this red line, has stopped at around 42.6, 43k, around there. So you can see that we made the high of 43k, and now we might be falling a little bit down. However, let's go to the 4-hour frame. On the 4-hour frame, you can see 43k. Now we are going a little bit down, exactly at the 43k Tether USD. So this is a little bit of, maybe we are going to do something like a cup and handle pattern. Okay, maybe this is a cup and handle. We will see about that though. But anyway, let's see some support levels in order to just figure out, can we go even higher or not? What we can do is we can draw another Ganfan, but I will be avoiding that because we will lose multiple time right there. I think that we might be going down to 41.4 if we are about to get rejected from the 50-day exponential moving average, and maybe we go to the 40.5. okay, these are the most strong support levels for the short term. If we go and get rejected and have a more correction right there, you will see Bitcoin going towards these targets. However, is that bearish? Are we going to have a dump? Because after these whole days right there, many people are scared, and even beginners are more scared to have like something like, a bearish cross right there, maybe a crash going on, maybe something unexpected that we didn't see on Bitcoin before, and therefore we might be having, for example, a crash down and go back to 36. No, okay, this is not going to happen right now, as we are on an impulsive wave mode on the 4-hour frame. This was not a fake out. And so even now that we have the commodity channel index on the daily above the 100, we are not scared. If we were back to the 24th December, we would be. But right now that we have an overbought situation with the commodity channel index, we are above the 100, we do not hold any critical risk, although it is very likely to go down. For example, if we go to the 4-hour frame right here, you will see that we have the RSI in an overbought. Okay. The cat right now, though, that it has been formed right there with the ears and the two eyes and the big nice mouth, it is smiling because it knows that he knows, or she knows actually, that the cat knows that we are going to go down. Okay, we are going to break down maybe from the 70, but this isn't the end, because we are going to get even higher. And do not worry, it is saying to our viewers that right there, do not worry, the cat is saying, because we are going eventually to get even higher onto the 46, 47k. If you remember though, the 46, 47k is a very strong resistance level, and we can find a rejection right there. Everyone is talking about Bitcoin going to the moon. No one is talking about Bitcoin getting rejected in one resistance levels after this breakout it had. Okay, we go a little bit higher, getting rejected, and then we go down. It is very possible and very likely. Do not think that we always have a flat running pattern. Okay, it is not necessary that we have a flat running pattern. Anyway, let's go back to Bitcoin. In case we break the 50-day exponential moving average, then there is nothing stopping us from going to the 46, 47k that we were talking about. There it will be a very nice selling opportunity for Bitcoin. I believe though right now that we are going probably to have a little bit of a correction down to the 41.3k, 41.4. Let's have the price labels again so you can see them out clearly that we have these targets, and therefore it is not bad that we could go towards these levels. Do not think that this is bad, okay? Even if we go there, do not feel like we are getting, oh, what are we doing? We are getting down to the 41.3k. This is now over. No, it is not over. It would be a healthy correction, right? Just correct a little bit right now, around 3% or maybe even 6%. Do not worry about that. But the 3% is most valid right here. We are going to see though, because we have some other support levels in between. For example, right now, we made the 41.8 as a very strong support level as well. So eventually, you know, if we are going to correct, we might be stopping there. The 20-day EMA, the yellow line, is approaching the 41.8k as well. And it is necessary to know that we might be stopping there. Okay, do not worry about that. And all I want to say is that the worst case scenario was this one right here, where we had a fake breakout and then suddenly we were just going sideways. You can see plus 5% in just 4 hours for Bitcoin, and then sideways, and then we went all the way down, crashing down, losing level after level, going all the way down to the 33k, and then we just had a breakout, and we are now ready to meet the 42.5 again. After just a short term, you can see here what a pump do we have on 3rd February. Right now, 46k and 47 to 48, possibly the 50k as I've told, is our next targets in case we go there and we meet a very huge resistance level. Then we won't be able to go even higher, and we want to see on the daily frame as well with the RSI above the 70. If it goes above the 70, what risk do we have right there? And of course, what is the risk on the daily Bitcoin? And here the daily RSI, we might be going, for example, further a little bit down right now and then go back up. Do not worry about that. Even if we do the higher low, higher high pattern, we do not worry. Healthy corrections are here to stay, and I am into the healthy corrections myself. Okay, the price right now, as you can see, does not crash, is despite the fact that we have a very high risk. So this is another indication right there that we are not having something like a fake out. You can see that we are going sideways, pumping up, going sideways, or going a little bit down, pumping up. Do not worry about that though. This is the market right now, and we are going to see the crypto market going upwards. Many altcoins will follow, but a little bit later, because they underperform against Bitcoin. Okay, so before we close the video, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, join us on Patreon, and you won't regret it. Mind Your Crypto. Okay, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You can find the link in the description box and in the comment section, or you can join Buy Me a Coffee, or you can join our site, buildmindyourcrypto.com. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.